G'day viewers, Dodger Mohr, welcome. Well, another busy day at Australia Post and I'm absolutely buggered. Okay, Kawasaki Versys x300, try and warp me home.